So Trellis.Law is still in Google. It's giving you a hard time. Maybe you want to get a job. Maybe you're doing business. Litigation is everywhere in the US, where 80% of our clients come from. So it's almost unavoidable. At this point, if you're getting litigated against, you're probably doing something right. So whatever you're doing, I recommend just stop panicking. It's totally fine. You have negative link there, you can suppress it. I know litigation isn't really a good look when it's sitting there, especially if you're the one litigating, which is often the case. We've worked on both sides, clients that have had cases against them, clients who have made the case. But either way, we can help you suppress it. In all these videos, I've said it a million times, build a personal website, because that's going to rank above any court case. It is the most important thing, because still in 2026, Google sees it as relevant, as long as you populate that site with legitimate content. The second thing is social media. In 2026, you can't just build it and put one image on it and run away and think it's gonna rank higher than, the Supreme Court. It's not going to happen, okay? But what you can do, if you have a Trellis.Law link, is you can build social media, make it mildly active, get a few followers, a few real friends, few real metrics, especially if your name is unique. It is going to go above it because it's active, it's you publishing there. Google sees it as more timely than just a court record, which is really something that will eventually get archived so long as you have enough content. So this is mainly the issue. People who don't have any content on the internet, and then Trellis.Law is going to rank there as long as you don't publish anything. And there's lawyers that will also look at these court records and then publish about it as well. Either they're using AI to publish about it, or they're reposting it, or syndicating it just to show that they're on top of enforcement actions and litigation. So all you have to do is create your own blog on your own website, write about yourself, have your name there as well. And then because it is a record site, generally, sometimes it's going to be a PDF document, the docket itself, or it's going to be a long string of text. So Google is automatically going to say this is more documentation, okay? The format is documentation. This is a huge technique. We're giving it away. It's like proprietary info, but it's super easy. It's going to change your life. If you go into canva.com, which is a great tool to make presentations, slideshow. Hey, if you have PowerPoint, you can do PowerPoint. What you want to do is create a biographical or professional presentation about yourself, okay, in any format. Maybe your industry, maybe biography about your accomplishments. Just make it look normal to a lay viewer or a professional viewer or an employer. Make it make sense. And then go and publish this on PDF sharing websites. We love the website issue.com. Issue.com is a place to publish PDFs, to present them, to make them look nice. There's another one called Prezi.com. You can use any PDF website, just look them up and they index into search. So if you take this PDF, you publish it there on Issue, you publish it on your website, you have a button that links to it, you can certainly suppress any court record. When we look at Trellis.Law, it is one of the more authoritative websites, so you might need to do a longer document, you might need to publish more things on your website, and then get the link structure really good. So what that means is linking to the PDF from your site, linking from the PDF back to your site, linking to socials, publishing from socials back to a blog on your site. This sort of interconnectivity will get all the content to rank at once. And what you do is you suppress this. We recommend beyond page 1, but actually beyond page 2 is even better because people looking for content about you are going to go down this rabbit hole of clicking on your website. They're going to click on different aspects of the homepage. And then eventually, if they get to page 2, this thing looks irrelevant. They don't even know if it's really you, especially if you have a moderately common name. No one's ever going to click that. And that's where we want to get to. We can help you expedite that process. We work with dozens of clients, in the past year and a half alone, just on Trellis.Law suppression, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Just click on the link in the description down below and book a call with me. No obligation consultation. These things are free, so I'd say take advantage of it. And let's meet and discuss how to suppress it. My name is Nadernejad, and thank you for watching.